up with the lift table onto the tire chuck, and then they're centered and rotated into the second station, which is the spray gun station. A spray gun pops up to the center of the tire based on that tire height we took earlier. Once the tire is sprayed, that gun retracts, then the tire is rotated. An exit table pops up, grabs the tire, sets it back on the conveyor, and then it exits the system. After that final station, as you can see, there's some brushes mounted there that the fingers will then go through to give themselves just a light clean, and then the process starts over again. One of these machines can produce a sprayed tire approximately every 6 seconds, so you're looking at about 10 tires per minute, which is a pretty fast output in most of today's tire plants. We have this equipment installed all around the world. We've got plenty of these out there. We've built them for a long time, and they're tried and true in the tire industry.